Hi there. Uh, this is absolutely fantastic that you are. I feel that you are actually looking for me. Let me show you a solution that I gave to a client. See that this is the website. This is actually a commerce website, and my client actually selling some dresses there. And if you click on any dress, you will see that there are some choices of these dresses, and it comes out like this, and there's some details there. These are all very because you want, what I feel, that you want some reliability there, which is like gold, like diamond, lasts forever. So this site is, this is the this is the best solution for you, because if you go to it, all the products actually comes from a spreadsheet. How? Let me show you. This is a fantastic solution I gave them. First, let's log in to it. Yes. So you see, in the products page, you can actually add products, and you can actually put description here and everything, and you just submit it. You upload images, and you can feature it, or you can select a category. All the categories are also comes from a spreadsheet, what a Google sheet. You can put it to any Excel sheet that is shared by Microsoft, but I suggest don't use any database. Just use Google sheet, that will be lasts forever, because you don't have to query language. Let's search. You don't have to know the query language to access data or the tables. You just open the spreadsheet that has all the products, orders. It's the client how they want. I designed it. So there's a admin page. I'm not gonna open that, because it consists of username and password, because this is a live site I'm showing you, because this just I recently handed over. But it's very easy. You just add a row of product here. You put details here. You type anything here, and it goes to this website. I mean, this website, and you find, and these categories also can be, you can add Christmas. Okay, the Christmas season category. So you just don't have to go for coding or come back to me. You just go to settings, and you add a category here. And there's other things also. I don't want to show you right now. So yeah, this is a very nice solution for you. What I feel that after reading your description here, also I'm also looking for the other jobs you posted, but this is a very decent proposal with $2,000 that I'm very interested to it, and I'll give you on you know a decent you know you know like what you want. It's a simple, and it's robust, and lasts forever, and it's almost free. Everything almost free, actually. Purchasing a domain, that's one time expenditure. So this is a very good solution. Come back to me. I know nobody will gonna give you this such of better solution. So I believe we are going for a we are going for this project soon. Okay, take care. See you.